Patrick, founder of Meta-Earth. You know, the entire blockchain industry is obsessed with TPS, modularity, and layer 2. Of course, we're building high-performance tech too, but the industry is focusing on the secondary problem. For example, Ethereum is a great asset because it identifies technical problems, but we see that the real challenge isn't technical scaling, it's the social scaling. You can build a blockchain that is technically perfect, but it's no one lives there. It's just a beautiful design ghost town. The bottleneck for Web3 isn't transaction speed anymore, it's mass adoption. At Meta-Earth, we follow a different path, the ME scaling path. The true value of a public chain equals the number of verified real users multiplied by ecosystem prosperity. We believe that when our community of verified users reaches a critical mass, whether that is 10 million or 100 million, everything changes. Real human users create demand and pull for applications, different from the bot traffic and fake hype we can see elsewhere. Our strategy is simple. We're building a digital earth in parallel with digital infrastructure. We aren't just building a faster chain. We're building a verifiable digital content where the population is ready to take off. Don't just watch the technology evolve. Be part of the population that defines it. Get your Meta-Earth ID today and become a citizen of the fastest growing real user community in Web3.